My name's Kevin Hicks. I'm a value stream manager for Cooper Surgical in Trumbull, Connecticut. Behind me is a machine commissioned through AG Russell. This machine replaced an older machine that we inherited through an acquisition. That machine was producing 60 brushes per minute compared to the AG Russell machine, which is producing 360 brushes a minute. The machine was built in 2011. It's been running flawlessly since. Dealing with AG Russell from the design all the way through, even with PMs, never have an issue. We want something built that's going to last forever. We go to AG Russell. The components are heavy duty. It runs every single day without a problem. We reduced our labor force from 11 folks on 2 shifts to 1 person on 1 shift, which is a savings of almost $400,000 a year.